Hello friends, today we are going to see questions based on HCF LCM. So now we are going to start with the questions. So let's begin the questions. Okay, this is the question. Find the LCM of 1.20, 0.24 and 6. So I can simply do one thing. If I multiply this by 100, this become 120, this become 24, this becomes 600, right? 2 ahead. So I have to find now LCM, or the lowest number that can divide this all three. The number that comes to my mind is 600 is not divisible. Let's check 600 is whether divisible by 24. 24, 48, 128 is divisible. And 120 can divide 600. Yes, it is. The least number that comes to your mind is what? 600, right? 600 is the least number which 120 can also divide, 24 can also divide, and 600 can also divide. So, but this is what you earlier multiply it by 100, na? So now you have to divide it by 100. The answer comes out to be 6. The answer is 6. Just you need to make aware of it things. No, don't worry about points. You can escape it by just considering that this is this. But last, when you get the answer, just don't forget to divide it by 100 or whatever number you did earlier in order to make it in good fraction. So find the HCF of 11, 121 and 1331. So you have to find a common number which can divide all these three. So the number that comes to my mind is 11. 11 can divide this itself also, this number and this number also. So HCF of this number will be what? 11. This is very basic question, just in order to clear your basics. Now we are moving towards tough question over a period of time. So this is the second question that is in front of us, that find the HCF of 0.63, 1.05 and 2.1. So can I write this as 63 by 100, this as 105 by 100, this as 200, 10 by 100. So I got same base, right? Now I can compare, right? So I have to find a number which is common to all these three, which can divide all these three numbers. So if I see 21 comes to my mind, right? So 21 can divide this, yes. 21 can divide this, yes. And 21 can also divide this. So 21 is, I think, is HCF. So can we find out? Yes, we can find out like this. Okay, 3 you can take. After taking 3, 21. This is 35. This is what? 3, 70. After that, you find more numbers which can be divided from the same. Okay, so you see 35, 70 and 21. You have to think a number that can divide all these three. 7 is the number. This comes out to be 3. This comes out to be 5. This comes out to be 10. Now you cannot divide further, right? I told you take the left side one. So left side 3 into 7, that is equivalent to 21, and nothing can taken as common now. So 21 will be the HCF of this number. But here you can see it is in point. So 21 by 100. After you do what it comes 0.21. 0.21 is the correct answer. So here is the question. You have to find the HCF of it. So if you go through the long method, so it will take a lot of time, right? If you keep finding it, so two very long time it will take. So there is a shortcut. You can divide the long method by long or big number by small number. So after dividing this, what you get? You have to divide it, right? So into 3 you can do, for 4 try for 4. So 8, this comes out to be 28, this comes out to be 30, this comes out to be 4, 7, so it is going more than that. We try for 3, 6, 21, 8, 3, 3, 8, 1, 6. How much is remaining? 12 minus 6, 6. And this 1 will carry out, 2 minus 1, 1. Then from this, 8 minus, not 8 exactly, 1, there 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 6 is coming, and this went, means this finishes. So after that you have to again perform an operation where the remainder of this will divide now this. Okay, means this is a circle. First you have to divide big one with a small one. Whatever the remainder comes, it will divide this now. 1, 2, 7, 2. So after dividing this, you have to do it till the time it won't attain 0. After you separate it, 12 minus 6, 6. Okay. 6 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 1, 156. So now this will divide this one. Okay, till the time you won't get 0, you have to divide it. 116, 156 into, let's suppose 6. Okay, 36, 30, 33, 9, 936. Let's try for 7. This comes out to be 42. This comes out to be 39, 1092. So this will be the last number. So after doing this, 8 plus 16, 8 plus 16 is what? 8 plus 16, it comes 24. So now 24 you have to divide by 156. I guess now it can be divided. Now this can be divided. 24 into 5 is 124. This will be 10. Okay. So this comes out to be 11 in this. Okay. 156. So 156 you have to divide by 24. So 24 into last is 6. Let's do with 6. This comes out to be 4, 2, and 44. Still there is cycle. 12 is remaining, right? So now you have to divide 12 by 24. And now you can see it is divisible, right? 24 is divisible by 12. So the HCF of this number will be what? 12. So 12 will be HCF. So this is called as long divisional method, from which you can find out, and this is the easiest way to find out. Otherwise, what you do 2, then again you will solve, then again you will solve. It will take a lot of time. So 12 is HCF. This how you need to find out. What we did, big number divide by small number, whatever the remainder comes, that will divide the earlier divided number. Then remainder come, earlier remainder divided by new remainder, earlier remainder divided by new remainder. See, till the time you won't get 0. Okay, so now 24 was there, so you can simply 24, so it comes out to be 0. 0, that means the last number that divided or make the sum 0 is 12. So 12 will be HCF. Okay, this how you need to calculate. So here is a question. We have to find HCF of this. So what I told you, you have to separate big number from the, divide big number from the smaller one. After dividing this, what you left with, how much you are getting? 3, 4, 4. This will come out 112. Okay, 112 you have to divide now with this. Okay, so 3, 4, 4, 4. After dividing by 112, it comes out to be 3. Okay, 3360. Okay, after solving this, this comes out to be 4, this comes out to be 14 minus 6, 84, and it is 0, 0. So 84 remaining. Still you have to solve it till the time it won't get 0. So 112 you will divide by 84. So after dividing by 84, 84 it cuts, and 16 plus 12 is 28. 28 is remaining, and now you have to divide this 28 to this till the time you won't get 0. 84 it divides. 28 into 3, that is equivalent to 84. So this will divide. So the last number was what? 28. So 28 is it HCF. So HCF of this number is 28. So this how you need to solve it. Okay. Thank you.